Welcome back. Now before you connect to your computer locally, you're going to need some more information. Now you are going to need your local IP address. You can get that from this area. So if we go into your network connections, you click your Open Network and Internet Settings. You're then going to click your Network and Sharing Center. You can then click on your connection. Now your connections are grayed out here, but you're going to click on your connection. Once it's open, you're then going to click Details. And what you're going to use is you're going to use this IPv4 address. You're going to need that information in order to access your computer remotely. So we're now going to go through the process. What we're going to do is we're going to type in remote. We're going to open up our remote desktop connection. Now we've written in our name. We've written in the username of the computer that we want to log into, and we're now going to click Connect. That PC is now going to need us to type in a login and password. Now we're going to get a warning typically that the remote computer cannot be verified. You're going to want to go ahead. You can choose not to have this question asked again. We're going to click Yes. And you'll see then that we have access to another PC and we're able to operate it with our mouse. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.